Hey guys, guess what? You're gonna be so jealous. I got 1,000,000 Robux on my Roblox.
Billy, how did you get 1,000,000 Robux?
Mom has a magical phone. You can just buy them and get them for free. Billy, you're not getting them for free. Mom's phone is just hooked up to her card. You still gotta pay for them. Oh, really? Oh, well, I'll just blame you two if I get in trouble.
Boys, why did I just get a call from the bank that someone spent $10,000 on Roblox?
Who was it?
It was them two, Mom. I was sitting here watching Pokemon all day. I promise. Mom, it wasn't us. Billy just came in here talking about how he bought 1,000,000 Robux. Mom, you gotta believe us. We don't even
Grounded.
Well, because this is so serious, I'm not taking any chances, and I bought a lie detector test.
Oh, Cocomelon, how am I going to get out of this one? You're up first, Tommy. Did you buy Robux on my phone? No. See, I'm telling the truth, Mom. Okay, you're free to go. Now it's your turn. Did you buy Robux on my phone? No, it wasn't me, Mom.
I told you it wasn't me. But if it wasn't you two, who could it be?
Billy, you're up next.
Did my sweet little baby buy Robux on my phone? No.
Billy, I can't believe it.
You're grounded. Get to your room, and no more iPad for the rest of your life. I can't believe Billy finally got grounded.
It's like an early Christmas present.